Alrighty, we're pulling out of the driveway, headed to High Octane Cafe and Bakery. Got my W. Gonna go check out some race cars and watch some dyno pulls. Hopefully I don't drop my W. Should stay right there. The lid holds it pretty good with the talaria battery lid. Just like again, sorry for the wind. After I stop rolling, the wind should stop. Pop her in the sport. You're up a notch. If I drop my W going this fast, this cup is destroyed probably, but it's gonna be a good test to their product. See how good how durable their cups are. But hope it doesn't fall because I need my W for the morning. Jeff already took off ahead of me with the truck because we do not have a race car anymore. Josh had one, so we did have one on the channel, but he had the Corvette, forget the 2003 Z06 I think. He got it all built up and there was freaking bearing material in the oil, metal shavings, so he just said, screw it, I'm selling it. He ain't having a big headache with it, so no more race car for us. There's Jeff over there. It's a little roundabout, and I'm hitting the sidewalk the fast way. I got my little microphone just in case, even though I do need to upgrade it. Cuts out on loud noise. And it's very directional. I have to point it towards me to talk and point it away from me for other people and other stuff. Here comes Jeff. My name is Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
Oh boy, I almost used my W. Mobbing. Oh boy. One-handed enduro. Oh, who we out right there? Oh, I got some cars all over already. Holy shit. We are up here at High Octane Cafe and Bakery. Truck and bike way over there. A few cars mixed in.
Oh, you're actually up there. Nice.
Still some nice ones here. Got BMW going on the dyno. I think it's the M5. Rhino dynos. 2 dyno pulls have gone down so far since we've been here. Jeff's got his iced coffee. I got the W. He had a bagel, I had a donut. You get your bagel, donut, and coffee. Look at some cars. Classics before the classics head. Viper rolling out. I was gonna get that on video, but missed it. Was watching some was watching some dyno pulls and then was gonna go get some cars. Got a Hellcat on a drag pack roll in. Looks like he's rolling out. Got some ZL1s here. Good old Mustang. Maybe a Terminator. Looking good. Big old drag pack. Little mini truck action. Little Miata action. There he is. Instagram, check him out. There he is, the storefront. Little Porsche rally car here. Lot cleared out pretty quick. This thing is pretty cool.
I have a friend who was driving around a 2026. Driving around a 2026.
It's only 2025.
Yeah. The only difference between the 2024.
Yeah, lot cleared out pretty quick. It's a quick little show. But head back over here to Dyno. Got a Pontiac GTO hooking up. Nice Subaru rolling out. Sounds good. What the hell?
What's that, brother?
Bro. Started the video for this hot rod, rat rod rolling through. Look at that thing. So we got a first time dynoer. Lady dyno pull. Best sounding one so far, I think. Even though we missed a couple pulls, we got here a little late. Real good pulls for apparently first timer. Hell yeah. Love to see it, love to hear it. Mustang's rolling out, sounding nice, smelling nice. E85. Nice Evo. Alright, that's gonna call it for the little Cars and Coffee Race Car Dyno Day at High Octane Cafe and Bakery. Parking lot cleared out. We'll get the helmet on and head home. Definitely was a good turnout. Definitely be coming back here more often. I'll see y'all in the next video. Alright, Jeff's headed out. I'm gonna do a cruise by the storefront and head out of here and might cruise around. I don't know. I did end off the video, so I guess this will just be a little bonus clip. Let's see if I can go mess with these people. Hey, you think I could put this on the dyno?
Too late.
What?
I know it's just for cars. I'm just messing around with you guys.
Did you say what now?
She said earlier you could have.
Yeah, earlier you could have.
Really?
Yeah. Where you put,
Just
golf carts?
not big trucks.
I was just being funny. I didn't know you can actually put bikes on this.
We have done golf carts, we have done scooters.
Oh wow, okay.
As long as you can pick up the trash.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
So check our calendar. Come on out next time. Put it up there.
Alright. Good show.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh shoot, that was funny. Freaking come mess around and can actually put the bike on the dyno. Alright, don't think we're gonna get into anything else, so that'll be it. Doing videos every other few days for Month of Mayhem. Stay tuned for them. Make sure to like, follow, subscribe on YouTube and Instagram. Stay tuned to all the Instagram stories if you're on there, so you never miss out when we're posting or what we're doing behind the scenes. And with that being said, we'll catch y'all in the next video. See ya.